Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm sharing my top tips and tricks for saving money on groceries and meal planning. Whether you're on a tight budget or just looking to cut down on your spending, these tips can help you stretch your grocery budget further. The first tip is to make a list and stick to it. It's easy to get caught up in impulse purchases while you're at the grocery store, but if you have a list, you'll be less likely to stray from your budget. Try to plan out your meals for the week and only buy the ingredients you need. Another way to save money on groceries is to shop sales and use coupons. Keep an eye out for sales flyers and sign up for email newsletters to get alerts about promotions and discounts. Don't forget to also use coupons and cashback apps to save even more money. Buying in bulk can also help you save money on groceries. Non-perishable items like grains, beans, and nuts are often cheaper when bought in larger quantities. Just make sure to store these items properly to prevent them from going bad. Another way to save money on groceries is to cook at home instead of eating out. Not only is it usually cheaper to make your own meals, but it's also often healthier. Try meal prepping to make it easier to stay on track with your home cooking goals. Finally, consider growing your own produce. Even if you don't have a lot of space, you can still grow herbs and some vegetables in pots or containers. Not only will you save money on produce, but you'll also have the satisfaction of knowing exactly where your food came from. I hope these tips and tricks help you save money on groceries and meal planning. Remember, a little planning and preparation can go a long way in stretching your budget further. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.